to all the sales head who really prepared for their presentation tonight. I'm lost for words. I mean, I'm not surprised because I know that you're talented, but I was very amazed with what you have done, with what you have presented, and what you have shown to us tonight. First of all, I would like to say a word of gratitude to all the people who are here today. Thank you very much for coming, and I know you deserve to be here.
I would like to extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you to our Christmas party, year-end celebration, and annual awarding. A heartfelt thank you to our officers for taking the time to join us and be part of this special occasion. For our sales support team, thank you for your hard work. To our dear COO, for your constant support and encouragement. Advance congratulations to our top sellers for an outstanding job well done.
Naniniwala ba kayo na 2025 is going to be a breakthrough year? Everyone, nothing is impossible. Just believe. The 3 game changers, ano yan? Perspective, partnerships, and purpose. Maraming salamat po. God bless you all. And Merry Christmas! We're excited for your performance. God bless. Sino po ulit sa inyo may pangarap sa buhay? Taas ang kamay. Ito po ha, kung may pangarap kayo sa buhay, kaya nyo abutin mag-isa, ibig sabihin yung pangarap nyo napakaliit lang. Kasi yung mga pangarap na malalaki, kailangan natin ng tulong ng ibang tao. If you have a dream and you can achieve it on your own, then it means that your dream is not big enough. Because in order for you to achieve something of significance, you need the help of others.
We from the management trust and believe in your capability in achieving our goal. There's no doubt you have the skills, the drive, and the knowledge to achieve greatness.